Hey guys, welcome back to Galen and Ella. I'm listening to Spotify right now, jamming out. It is Thursday, and I haven't had school since Monday. So, yeah, I'm super excited. It is so sunny right now. It looks aesthetic. Okay, well, anyways. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so I just feel awesome right now. I'm going to be reading fidgets. Let's get started. Yeah, first one. First up, we have a walking track. I don't know why, but for some reason it just seems shorter. It just seems shorter. Tinier. But I rate it a 6 out of 10 because it is pretty loud. But if you're using it at school, it might be a little distracting. So it's a really good fidget, but maybe not for school. Second one. The second one is a needle ball. I literally love needle balls because they're just so satisfying. They have something inside that makes it really good. It's kind of like waffles. It's sticking. That's cool. I rate this a 9 out of 10. Let's go to the third one. The third one is a marble and mesh. Marble and mesh are really good for school because they're really quiet. They're fun. They're joyful. I do have a Pop It and 3 Tangles in the car. They're both 10 out of 10. So, this marble and mesh, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. I don't know why 7. Let's make that a 8.5. Let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one is cheese. I literally have so many of these, but I just got some of my favorites out because they're so cute. My bunny. Some of their eyes are missing. A cute cat. Another cute cat. The unicorn. It has both eyes. This one, it's kind of a little ghosty octopus. Then my newest one, the bunny. So these are super cute, and if you have a cat, this is my favorite thing to do if you have a cat. You just put your finger on his stomach and then wiggle it around. It's super stress relieving. Yeah. So, I rate these a 7 out of 10. Fifth one. The fifth one is a bike chain. 10 out of 10. Because it's just really stress relieving and it's tiny. That helps a lot. I think I have 2 of these. I have a red and a blue one. They're just tiny and really good for school. You can just keep on pushing it for hours. Super cool. 10 out of 10. Let's go to the sixth one. Fidget spinners. So, I have 2 of these. I actually have more. I gave one to Kaylin. I have this macaroon one. And then the moldy one. I like these a lot because they're fidgety. And fidgety's what I do. I'll show you guys this in a minute. I also like how you can stack them. It's really cool. I love it. Hi Kaylin. Join us. We're rating my fidget. I would give the fidget spinner a 6.5. Let's go to the 7th one. Pea Popper 7s. I really like these because they have.
I rate this one
A 5 billion out of 10. Do that next. They have cute faces. They're really good. I have 3 of these, but sadly, the pea fell out of this one. So you just squeeze it. You get to collect the cute little faces on them. I love them. So I definitely rate these a 8 out of 10. Okay, so let's move on to the 8th one. We're doing the one Kaylin wanted to do. This one, she said 5 billion out of 10.
Some of mine. I'm just kidding. That one's terrible.
Well, because our friend broke it, so we have to tape it, but now it looks bad, but it's really satisfying. But still, I rate it a 4 out of 10, just because it's broken.
Yeah?
Let's move on to the
Hold on,
9th.
I have to rate this.
The 9th is a monkey neighbor. I really like these. I rate it an 8 out of 10. But I have 2. Let's move on to the 10th fidget. This one is a Rubik's Cube. My mom did this one side. Messed up on it. I rated it a 0 out of 10. I'm joking. A 2 out of 10 because it is really hard to solve. And it can be really stressful. I think 11. My color changing bauble. Let's see if it sticks. It might not. I like my light. My bauble doesn't work anymore. Let me try to show you one more time. Doesn't work. But it's color changing, and it's really stressful. And it really helps with stress. So if you do this, that's my favorite thing. So I rate this a 7 out of 10. Because it would be a 9, but it doesn't stick anymore. Let's move on. I'm just not going to count anymore. Magic ball. These might be stressful, but they do help a lot. I like these. They're like good children. Okay, so I'm going to try to solve it. Guess what? I couldn't fix it, so where's the next one? I have a lot more fidgets, but I am going to do this Elmer's slime, and then I'm going to show you all my fidgets, and then I'll leave. So, this Elmer's goo, you got 3 of them for $1, and it was really fun. And like you got to pour in one ingredient because it came with 3. True. It came with 3 ingredients and 3 slimes, and then you got to mix an ingredient into the slime. I chose pink with the sprinkles. Yeah. I caught it. Didn't fall on the ground. Okay. It is pretty sticky, but I loved how it was only $1 to make 3. So I rated 9.5 out of 10. Let's put it on my fidgets. I have a lot of fidgets. So when I was actually pouring out my fidgets so I could see which fidgets I was going to use for this video, my eye hit the corner and it hurt. Oh yeah, I really like this slime. It's cute. Okay. Some eggs that I need to pick up now. What?
Ella said she was gonna make you. Ella said she was gonna make you some ice cream, but she's not. So you don't get it.
Bye guys.